The diagnostic trouble code P0524, engine oil pressure too low, signals a significant warning from a vehicle's engine management system. This code is triggered when the engine control module, ECM, detects that the oil pressure has dropped below the manufacturer's specified threshold for a given period. Low oil pressure jeopardizes the lubrication of critical engine components, risking severe damage such as bearing failure, overheating, or even catastrophic seizure. The genesis of P0524 can stem from several sources. Common causes include low engine oil levels, degraded or incorrect oil viscosity, a malfunctioning oil pressure sensor, clogged oil passages due to sludge accumulation, or a failing oil pump. Additionally, wiring issues or intermittent ground connections to the sensor may yield false readings, complicating accurate diagnosis. Detecting the ramifications of P0524, the vehicle may exhibit engine warning lights, ticking or knocking noises, or, in extreme cases, enter limp mode to prevent damage. Immediate response is essential. If the code appears, the first step is to halt engine operation and check the oil level and condition. If either is inadequate, replenishing or changing the oil may resolve the issue. Should oil and levels be normal, further investigation is warranted, inspecting the oil pressure sensor, pump, and oil passages for blockages or faults. A mechanic may use a mechanical oil pressure gauge for verification, ensuring diagnostic precision beyond electronic sensors. Failure to address a P0524 code in a timely fashion can result in irreversible and costly engine damage. As oil is the lifeblood of the engine, this code should be viewed as a call to action rather than a mere advisory. The prudent vehicle owner will consider preventative maintenance, regular oil changes, and prompt attention to dashboard warnings as the first line of defense against the destructive consequences detailed by this critical code.